Hi everybody, this is Mary Feaster and this is my introduction video. So my teaching experience, I am a kindergarten teacher in the Central Dauphin School District. This is my third year. I actually travel between two different buildings, so I teach morning kindergarten at one building and afternoon kindergarten at another. I taught kindergarten at a daycare for a year before I got my teaching job in an elementary school. I also went to Penn State. Graduated in 2016 with a degree in early childhood education and a minor in human development and family studies. Last year, our school theme was The Wizard of Oz, so I did my door. There's no place like kindergarten. So this is from last year. So a little bit about me. I'm a cheerleading coach. I actually coach for the team that I cheered for in high school. This will be my 7th year doing that. So here's a picture of a couple of my girls putting me up in a stunt a couple years ago. This is pretty much my whole family on my dad's side. We love to kayak. There's me, kind of tiny, hard to see, but that's me. We like to go a lot over the summer. We go on the river, in the creek, kind of just wherever. And then I guess an interesting fact about me is I am a bionic woman. So these are the x-rays of the insides of both of my legs. So basically I was born with some funky bones turned the wrong way, and so when I was 21 I had them fixed and turned around and all that good stuff. So this is what the inside of my right and left leg look like. Not sure if it's really a fun fact, but something interesting that hopefully won't be easy to forget. So I'm looking forward to meeting all of you and maybe seeing if there's anyone else out there who's bionic too.